Alright, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will be making a simple application which is a score keeping application in which we will update a score of a team A. Alright, after it is a basketball team app. Alright, so after clicking on button, it will update the score. Alright, we are having two scores like this. And it will show the score here. Alright, and after that we are having a reset button for which we can reset the scoreboard. Alright, so let's get started. So in order to start the project, we will have to create a new project. Alright, we will be naming as score app. Alright, then click next. We will be selecting API 15 as our minimum target, and then we'll select empty activity. Alright, and click finish. Alright, so as you can see, our new project is up and running. So what we will be doing is we will be having a name of a team up here, and after that we will be keeping the score of that team. Alright, after then we are having a button from which we can update the score. We are having two buttons as we can update the score. Alright, and then after we are having a foul button which will say that the foul has been done. Alright, after then we will be having a reset button from which we can reset the whole scoreboard. Alright, so let's get started. So in order to start, what we will do is, first of all, we will delete this text view. After that we will be changing this constant layout to linear layout. Alright, linear layout. Alright, so I am giving the orientation of this layout as horizontal. Alright, so after that we will be, first of all, we will be adding a text view to show the name of the app, to show the name of the screen. Alright, then we will having another text view for which we will be keeping as a scoreboard. Alright, then we are having a button. After clicking that button, wrap content, after clicking that button we can update the score. Like suppose if somebody has done a basket for 3 points, then we can update the score for 3 points from this button. Alright, and then we will have this button, this one is for foul. Suppose a team has done a foul, and then we are having a button which is reset button. Alright, so let's name this text view as Android text team A. Alright, and we will be like, it will be the scoreboard. Alright, so first of all our score was 0 initially our score will be 0, and our button name will be 3 points, sorry, my bad, 3 points, and this button is for 2 points. Next, 2 points. Alright, and after that this button is for foul. Text foul, and now this is for resetting score. Text reset score. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, so you can see this is, we will be supporting we will be changing the orientation to vertical. Alright, let's change this orientation to vertical. All right, now see the design. All right, it is pretty neat. All right, now we will make it look a little bit attractive, so I am just text size 20 dp sp, and I'm naming this text size 22 sp, and now look at our okay, it is pretty neat. I'm just updating it for 25 sp. All right, now button. So for this button we will be calling a method. For calling a method we will be calling a function point. I am naming it as point3. Alright, and when I press this button, a method will be called whose name is point2. Alright, sorry, my bad. And after that we will be calling a method after clicking the foul button, so I'm naming it as foul. Alright, and now this is for resetting score, and I will be calling a method name reset, one click, reset score. Alright, so as you are saying this is showing an error. Alright, so it is saying that create reset score view in main activity. Okay, as when you click on this it will create a method for us. Alright, for this one we will also do the same. Alright, nice. And for this one we are doing the same, and for this one too we are doing the same. Alright, so our functions are ready. I'm declaring a variable int score. Alright, score is initially 0. So first of all, what will happen when I press a point3 button? Alright, so it will be updating our score to 0.3, and it will show us on this place. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm setting an ID for this text view ID. So let's name this ID as scoreboard. Alright, I've named this ID as scoreboard. So now I'm getting the reference by calling text view equals to text view scoreboard. Alright, let's press Alt plus enter, so it will okay, scoreboard find view by ID. We have pressed Alt plus enter for importing the statement. Alright, for importing this text view. Alright, ID, what was ID? Or ID was scoreboard. Alright, so we have named that scoreboard, that text view as scoreboard. So what we will be doing is we will be updating our variable like score is equals to score plus 3. Sorry, my bad. Score is equals to score plus 3. Alright, then we will be adding this score to the scoreboard. Alright, so scoreboard, I just changed this one to just making this scoreboard global variable so that I can update it in other functions also. So if I will be using on-click listeners, so I can directly update these scores. Alright, after declaring it locally, I can update that, but as I am using functions, so I will have to declare this scoreboard as a global variable. Alright, so our scoreboard dot set text, we will be setting the text to the update variable, like what will be our score. Alright, we have updated the text to score. Now for point 2, what we will be doing is we will be updating the score, the previously existing score, to +2. Alright, then score will be score is equals to score +2. Alright, and now we will be setting this to the scoreboard, to the text view, set text plus score. Alright, now for foul, what we will be doing is we will be showing some text. Alright, so we can show the toast, so I am using a toast here, toast, to show that foul has been done. Make text this, alright, comma, foul done. Alright, then tilde toast dot length short dot show. Alright, so what when a foul is being done, what we used to when we click that button, it will be showing us a toast which will be saying us foul is being done. Alright, so for resetting score, what we will be going to do is we will be resetting the variable score. So score is equals to 0, and we will be updating this score to the text view, to our scoreboard text view. Alright, so scoreboard dot set text, scoreboard dot set text, as we are showing this variable score. Alright, so as we are seeing, we are pretty done. So let's run this project. Alright, I am having my emulator started, so just start your emulator by pressing this button and select the device. Alright, so let's start with our emulator. So now this is pretty neat. So when we click on 3 button, it will be showing 3. So after as a team has scored, team A has scored 3 points, and then suppose it has scored 2 more points, then it will be 5. Oh, nice. So when we click on foul button, what it is going to show that foul has been done. Alright, foul has been done, foul done. Alright, let's reset the score. So our score is resetted. Let's change it again. Nice, nice, foul done, reset score. So let's make this a little bit more neat. Alright, so I'm just adding a gravity, adding a property to gravity, center horizontal, gravity, center horizontal, and now sorry, my bad, gravity, sorry, gravity, center horizontal, gravity, center horizontal, and gravity, center horizontal, and reset score. Gravity, sorry, my bad. Gravity, center horizontal. Now we will check it out. Okay, it is not showing anything right now. So what we are going to do is, so instead of this I will try using layout gravity. Sorry, center horizontal. Now see the design. Alright, so I will be adding this property to everyone. Alright, center horizontal, layout gravity, I'm just updating it, layout gravity. Now we are having this property, layout gravity. Alright, so now see the design. Okay, now we are pretty much done. So let's try running this app on our emulator. Alright, just a moment. So here it is, and it is pretty neat and clean now. So reset score.